In the middle of which century did the Arab traveler Sulaiman visit India? In the 9th century. Ramnath V. Raghavan is associated with which of the following musical instrument? Mridangam. Who among the following is the first Indian paddler who won the medal at the International Table Tennis Federation (ITIF), Asian Table Tennis Union, Asia World Cup 2022? Manika Batra. Padma Shri Award 2022 was given to whom among the following Kuchipudi dancer? Padmaja Reddy. The correct order of electron affinity of halogen is option 3. The government is bound to ensure observance of social welfare and labor laws enacted to ensure for workmen a life compatible with human dignity under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. Which great leader died due to his injuries in the anti-Simon Commission protests of 1928? Lala Lajpat Rai. The estimation of poverty line in India is based on the survey conducted by which of the following? National Statistical Office. Match the column. Bihar, Chhat Festival, Arunachal Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Assam, Bihu, Goa, Fatorpar, Shijatra. According to the Indian Minerals Yearbook 2020, which state in India has the highest share of limestone production? Rajasthan. As of March 2023, India's men's soccer team captain Sunil Chhetri became the 5th highest goal scorer in international football appearance. The era of 5-year plan began in India with the establishment of the Planning Commission. Which of the following principle was added by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment in the Indian Constitution? To protect and improve the environment and to safeguard forests and wildlife. In which month is Rabi crop sown? In the month of October to December. The periodic growth and drop of seawater level is known as tide. In which of the following years did the East India Company abolish the diarchy system of Bengal? In the year 1772. In India, which ministry issues the coins of all denomination? Ministry of Finance. Which of the following statement is or are true about currency note? Only 1 and 2. That is, they do not have intrinsic value. 2. They can be called fiat money. Net domestic product is calculated as GDP minus depreciation. Which of the following claims concerning the melting lines of force inside the bar magnet is true? From S pole to N pole of the magnet. Which of these is a component of tertiary sector of an economy? Hotels and restaurants. Which Asian country was the host of the first Asian Games? India. Sleeping sickness is a vector-borne disease caused by the infection of which microscopic parasite of the species, Trypanosoma brucei. The Chari folk dance is primarily performed by women of which Indian state? Rajasthan. In 2023, the Government of India launched the nationwide Sarva Dawan Sevan or mass drug administration to eliminate the disease of lymphatic filariasis.